India's richest man, Mukesh Ambani, just got into a deal with the social media giant, Facebook. It happens to be one of the largest investments for a minority stake worldwide. Facebook will invest $5.7 billion for a 9.9% stake in Reliance Jio, the telecom unit of the Reliance Industries. Now, with the investment coming in, there are 2 points to be focused on. 1. The deal values Reliance Jio at $65.95 billion, and 2. It is the largest FDI in the Indian tech sector till date, which was much required by the Indian economy given the pandemic. With communities around the world in a lockdown, the small businesses are dying, and with that, there are millions of people who are being thrown out of their jobs. India has more than 60 million small businesses, and many of them need the digital tools that they can rely on to find and communicate with their customers to grow their businesses. Another important aspect of this investment is that Jio platforms, Reliance Retail, and WhatsApp services have also entered into a commercial partnership that focuses on developing digital-based solutions for MSMEs, farmers, and small merchants belonging to the informal sector. With over 400 million WhatsApp users in the country, JioMart, the online grocery delivery platform, will use WhatsApp as a platform to bring vendors, independent hawkers, and small kirana shop owners so that they can receive orders seamlessly through WhatsApp and increase their customer base. This model will allow easy and fast delivery of goods by going hyper-local. JioMart will connect customers to vendors in their locality. Now you might ask, what's in this deal for Facebook? India has more than 900 million internet users, out of which Jio caters to 388 million users. This gives Facebook access to a larger audience. WhatsApp is also bringing in an online payment service known as WhatsApp Pay, and that will be based on India's UPI platform. It will allow Facebook to gain access to a larger chunk of India's internet users. In the recent years, India has emerged as a crucial market as it gives Facebook more number of users than any other country in the world. With users worldwide shifting from platforms like Instagram and Facebook to the Chinese platform TikTok, this deal will give Facebook access to millions of Indians in order to regain their user base. Facebook ads will see growth as businesses invest in digital marketing through Facebook. This deal will also help Reliance step up its game in the e-commerce industry against giants like Amazon and Flipkart. Well, here's another fun fact for you. This investment values the Jio platform amongst the top 5 listed companies in India by market capitalization, and that would help Reliance Industries get one step closer to their zero debt plan. The synergy between the two companies will help realize the goal of Digital India, and in the post-corona era, both leaders are confident of the recovery of the Indian economy in the shortest period of time. So, Ambani and Zuckerberg have their plans set to mint some money. In the meanwhile, what are you doing?